Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Yes. While none of my recipes for deviled eggs include vinegar, I doubt that the amount of vinegar in your recipe is a lot and assume it is contributing a bit of tartness. Apple cider vinegar should have much the same effect as white vinegar.
Take our lead.
If you require 1/4 cup white vinegar for baking, replace it with 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, or 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. If you need a vinegar substitute for cooking, use lemon juice. If you want a replacement for vinegar, for making sauces, fortified wine, or regular wine can be used.
Take our lead.
Deviled eggs are easy to make, and you can make them even easier by hard-boiling your eggs ahead of time. To the egg yolk add mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper and stir it all together until creamy.
Take our lead.
White vinegar substitute. If you need a different vinegar to substitute for white vinegar, use apple cider vinegar or malt vinegar. Depending on your recipe, you could also swap in lemon or lime juice. When you're canning or pickling, there are no comparable substitutes. You need to go get some white vinegar.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.